India, there is a place called Shimla. Shimla has
Mhm.
lots of cold.
That's in Himachal
No.
only. I live very near Shimla.
How is your life going on hostel?
My life is going pretty well. I'm going to go home for Diwali. You don't even get winters?
Yes, we don't.
Wow, that's my dream place. I'll just shift there only then.
We won't be able to go because my final exams is coming.
Okay. So what do they do? Do they keep talking or do they keep playing? Why do they
They
make noise?
keep talking and they keep playing.
They keep playing.
Yes,
What do they
all
play?
the time. All the time. I'm the only one student who never makes noise.
You're the only student who never makes noise? That's nice.
Yes. She is making us read only Peter and Jane.
Okay, so she's a female. And have you recently joined the school? That's why you don't have friends at school? Or, um,
It means 2 years I go to school.
oh, and do you like the school? Hi, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good. Thank you so much for asking. How was your day today?
My day was going good. How about yours?
My day is also going good. Thank you so much for asking. So can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
My name is Sudiksha. I am 6 year old and I'm from India. But right now I'm living in Brunei.
You're living in?
Brunei because my
Okay.
dad job here.
Okay. Okay, that sounds good. Thank you so much for sharing that. So, where is this place where you're living at right now?
I'm living in Brunei. Brunei is an Asian country.
Okay, got it. Thank you so much for sharing that. Okay, and your name is Sadiksha, is that right?
Yes, my name is Sudiksha.
Okay, that sounds amazing. My name is Asmita. I live in Himachal Pradesh, which falls in India, and I am almost 26 years old. And I love reading and I love traveling. Okay, so what do you like to do,
My
Sadiksha?
city is in India, Dhanbad.
Oh, it's in Jharkhand, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, it's in Jharkhand.
Okay, got it. So, when was the last time that you came to India?
I think I went India 2 months ago.
Oh, that's amazing. Okay, so can you tell me a little bit about your hobbies? What do you like to do, and how do you like to spend your free time?
I like to. My hobbies are playing, dancing, skipping,
Okay.
traveling.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yes, because there is a call. That's why we need
Okay,
2 minutes.
okay, that's okay. Okay, so what do you like to play?
I like to play like first. I like to. Do you know knock knock?
Not really, because my favorite game was hide and seek.
And even me, my favorite game is hide and seek, knock knock, and
Mm-hmm.
tag. These are my favorites.
That sounds interesting. So, do you play it at school or do you play this game at home?
Nobody knows this game actually. That's why I play in my real house where I'm living in Jharkhand in
Mm-hmm.
India.
Mm-hmm. And who do you play it with in Jharkhand?
My sister,
Mm-hmm.
my cousins.
You play it with cousins. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, so what other games do you play when you come to India to visit your cousins?
I just play these three games: hide and seek,
Hmm.
tag, and knock knock.
Okay, got it. That sounds amazing. So, what games do you play when you're there, when you're not in Jharkhand and when you are in the country that you're currently in?
We actually play tag and hide and seek. No, arena.
And how do you play that?
Tag. First we run away,
Hmm.
then we run away. Then somebody touch us means you are the tagger. You have
Okay,
to touch somebody else. Then he have to touch somebody else. He have to touch
okay.
somebody like
That
this.
sounds interesting. Okay. So, how many friends do you have around you? Do you have any friends around your home or do you just have friends
Yes,
at school?
but I do have friends at
Hmm.
home. I don't have
Hmm.
friends at school.
Okay. And have you recently joined the school? That's why you don't have friends at school, or um,
It means 2 year I go to school.
oh, and do you like the school?
I like it and no study that much. I only do drawing, playing, and I always do I always do other activities, many more.
What class are you currently in?
I'm in KG 3.
Okay, got it. So you just do these activities, do not study, or do you study a little bit and do more of these extra activities?
We just study a little bit.
Okay, and do the other activities also. That's nice. So, do you have a favorite teacher, or do you just have one teacher that teaches you everything?
I have a favorite teacher,
Oh, and who is it?
Teacher Mida.
Amazing. And do you also get homework?
Sometimes I get homework,
Okay, and what do you usually get as homework? Is it something to draw, something to paint, or something to study?
something to study and paint.
Okay, and do you like studying?
Yes, I do.
Do you enjoy painting more?
I'm pretty good in maths,
Are
English,
you? Oh my God, I was very scared of maths. I was like very, very scared of maths while I was studying. So,
math simple.
is it? That's
Only
nice.
table, minus,
Hmm.
subtractions, these things.
Oh, it was very
Like
tough for me. It was very tough for me. I just hated it and I tried to avoid it as much as possible. So, you're a smart girl that you love maths. That's nice. So,
no,
who teaches you maths?
maths teacher teaches me math, and my mom teaches me math.
Okay, so they must be very good teachers, both your maths teacher and your mom, because
Yeah,
they're doing a good job that you're loving maths.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
nice. And is there any teacher that you do not like?
Huh?
Is there any teacher that you do not like?
Yes, I like everybody, but I like teacher Mita the most.
Okay. Is any teacher at your school strict, or are all of them very nice and very lenient?
One is so strict,
Okay, and who is that teacher who's strict and what does he teach?
teacher Noor.
Okay, and what does he teach?
She is making us read only Peter and Jane.
Okay, so she's a female.
Is a girl, female.
Okay, okay. And she's always making you read.
Hmm?
And you do not like reading?
I like reading, but actually he scolded us very much. That's why I don't like her.
Oh, she scolds you. That's sad. Okay. So do you guys make some noise in the class? That's why she scolds you? Or does she scold you without any reason?
I'm the only one student who never makes noise.
You're the only student who never makes noise? That's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. And who is the one student who makes a lot of noise?
There are some friends of her, and they even make noise. They always
And
make more noise. But shut up.
okay. Okay. So what do they do?
Even
Do they keep talking or do they keep playing? Why do they
they
make noise?
keep talking and they keep playing.
They keep playing.
Yes,
What do they
all
play?
the time. All the time.
So what do they play in the class?
They like play train.
Okay. Okay. And how do you play them in the class?
We take all the chairs and one behind other behind one more chair.
So
Like
you put chairs behind one another.
yes.
Okay. And then what do you do?
Then we drive the train. Choo choo.
Okay, that's interesting. That's nice. Okay, so what are the other activities that you do at school? How's the lunchtime? What do you do during lunchtime?
We just eat some snacks.
And that's it? We used to just quickly finish our lunch and go out to play. Do you do that?
No, we didn't.
Okay, you don't. So do you take your lunch from home or do you get it at school?
I get it. I take it from home.
You take it from home. Okay, and what do you like to have for lunch?
I like to have first. My favorite thing is to eat. What is your favorite thing to eat first?
My favorite thing to eat, that's a tough question. I like eating chicken, I like eating a lot of fast food, and then there are some vegetables that I
Me
love to
too.
eat.
Me too. I love eating fast food and vegetable. I'm fond of fast food. That
You are? Okay, so how often do you eat it? Because eating a lot of fast food can be very dangerous for your health also, so you should
not
eat it in moderation.
my mom always make at home fast
Oh,
food.
that's healthy. Then that's healthy. I live in a hostel, so I have nowhere I can make it. So I have to just go and buy it and get it. So that's a little unhealthy, actually. So do you also
Yeah.
like eating fruits?
I like eating. My favorite fruit is first. What is your favorite fruit?
I love mangoes and lychees. These are my favorite fruits.
How is your life going on hostel?
My life is going pretty well. I'm going to go home for Diwali. So do you know about Diwali?
Why
Yeah.
corner?
Yeah. So I'm just going to go home
That's
soon. I'll be
really
leaving
my
on
favorite fest. What do you say?
So I'm going to go home very soon. I'll be leaving on the 15th and I'll reach by 16th. So yeah, I'm excited.
We won't be able to go because my final exams is coming.
Guys. So you like Diwali?
Diwali, I have all the festivals.
You like all the festivals. Which one is
Yes,
your
I do.
favorite?
My favorite one is I have actually two. I actually have two. One Diwali and one is Holi.
One is Holi, that's nice. So do you also celebrate Halloween? I find
The
that pretty interesting.
oh Halloween. Actually, I am just telling you two, but my favorite are three.
Okay. So what is the third one?
Third one, what did you say right now? Is my favorite
Halloween.
one. Halloween,
Okay.
yes.
So what did
It's
you dress up
similar.
as last time?
I didn't make that time because I don't have that time I don't have time. And today this time Halloween I will be something. Like
So have you decided?
I will be what are you gonna be?
I'm not going to be. People don't celebrate Halloween here, so I'm not going to be anything. What
I,
about you?
I I'm gonna be a witch. Good witch.
Oh, that's nice. That's amazing. So, do you get a lot of candy when you go out to people's home? Have you done that?
Yes, we will. We will.
Okay, that sounds
Trick
good.
or treat.
Okay.
Treat
Yeah,
or
have you?
treat. Mm.
Yeah, have you done that last year?
No, we didn't. Didn't celebrate.
What else would you? What else do you do at school? So you told me about lunchtime. You told me what do you like to have during lunch. Uh, so by what time do you get free from school, and what do you do then?
12 o'clock I got free
Oh,
of
that's nice.
my school. 12 o'clock because I go early. I go at 6 o'clock.
You go at 6 o'clock? Oh
Six
my God.
thirty. 6:30.
Oh, that's so early. Okay. I mean, 6:30 here is early morning. I wake up at 6:45, so I do not even wake up at 6:30 a.m. Okay. So what do you do after you come back from school?
I took off my dress. Then I washed my hand. Then I ate my lunch. Then I take a nap. Then I woke up. Then I go to play with my friends. Then I come back. Then I study. Then I ate my dinner. Then I go to sleep.
So you go to sleep. That's nice. That sounds like a good routine. So you go to sleep easily, or do you create a problem for your parents?
Like I got means I sleep a little bit late.
You sleep a little late, and then are you able to get up early in the morning because your school starts so early?
Yeah, I am always deep sleep. When I my mom wakes me up, then I see somewhere like sofa, anything, TV.
Yeah.
Then I always sleep.
Yeah, but it becomes difficult during winters because then I need a quilt, but and I have no quilt other than in my room. How's the
Mhm.
weather over there, by the way?
And normal is not so cold, and not so hot. Is medium.
Okay, it's pleasant weather then. That's
Yes.
nice.
Then
And how is it usually? Do you get snowfall over there, or is it just like this all the time?
We never get snow. But
Oh,
I
that's
love the snow.
you want to. It gets very cold. I don't like that. You should come to Himachal then sometimes when you visit
Even
India.
we never get winter here. Oh,
You should come to Himachal then.
I love winter. When I just turning on the AC right now for two
Ah,
hours.
oh,
But
you
I
should come to
didn't love
Himachal.
what?
When you come to India next time, you should come to Himachal in the months of like October to February because we have extreme winters here. So I think you'll enjoy it. And if you go
I
to some
would
other
love
parts,
to come.
you may see
I
snowfall
would
also.
love to come.
Ah, you should.
Mhm.
You can see snowfall also. So maybe if you're lucky, you get to see snow. What will you do if you see snow? By the way, do you want
I
to make a snowman?
I will make a snowman. I will make a surprise ball.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah, you can, I think, get to see snow, or there are a lot of snow parks now in some places. So maybe if you do not get to see the real snow, you can go to those snow parks and see how does it look like. That's one thing.
Oh, yeah. Actually, in India, there is a place called Shimla. Shimla
Hmm.
has lots of cold.
That's in Himachal
No.
only. I live very near Shimla.
Yeah. That's why it's so snowy there.
Hmm.
Shimla is a so cold country. We have to wear what do you
You
say,
have to wear
cap,
caps. Yeah.
gloves, jacket, another
Yes.
jacket on the top, another jacket on the top, and we have to do shoes and
Yeah.
pajamas.
You see, I'm wearing a sweater
Yeah.
right now.
What do we
Yeah.
call here? What are you wearing right now? This
It's called a muffler
yeah,
or a shawl.
buffalo.
Yeah.
Yeah, shawl, a buffalo.
Yeah. Yeah, it's quite cold. It has started getting cold here. So I think in the month of December, there are yeah, some high parts of Himachal received snowfall in the
What is
last
your
month
favorite
also.
country? What is your favorite
My favorite
country?
country.
Yes,
I've just been to India. I've never been to some other countries, so I don't know about other countries. I would just say India.
I have been. I I like the most is I have been to Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore. But my most favorite country is Singapore.
Oh, why? What did you like there so much that it's your most favorite country?
My friend is living there. BFF friend is living there.
Hmm.
So that's why I because she's my BFF friend. That's why.
Hmm. That's your favorite country.
That's why I wanna visit her for more than 25 years. I wanna be there.
Okay, that's. I hope you visit her. I hope you visit her 2 or 3 times in a year. So that's nice. That's a good reason for it to be your favorite country. Okay, so we've
Which
just
is your
come.
favorite color? Which is your favorite color?
Oh, my favorite color. It has to be. I think it keeps on changing actually. So I like different colors. Like I like orange, yellow, black, white. So it keeps on changing really.
And my favorite color is rainbow.
Oh, so rainbow has 7 colors. So you like all of them?
No, more colors like purple, dark purple, light purple, light blue, white.
That
But
that sounds amazing.
except black and brown.
Okay, because these are dark colors.
Yeah, dark colors.
You
Only
don't like dark
black
colors.
and brown. White, I like it because I already wear white.
Oh, that's amazing. Okay. Okay, so Diksha, we've come to the end of the session over here. I'll have to
Okay.
disconnect, but it was lovely
Okay.
meeting you, and I hope to see you
Thank
again
you.
sometime soon.
Thank you. Same here.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Have a very good day. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
You're welcome.